Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Zambia. So in order to do it, we first need to find out whether Zambia is in the list of PayPal where PayPal is providing its services. So in order to find that out, you will have to simply either click on the link in the description so that you will be landed on this page, or you can just simply type PayPal countries and then you will find the first link, so you can click on it. Now over here we need to find whether Zambia is in the list, so you can press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and here you need to simply type Zambia. Now once you type Zambia, as you can see that in African countries Zambia is available, so you need to click on it in order to redirect on the home page of PayPal. Now over here in the link itself, you can see that after PayPal we have ZM, which is indicating that this is the account creation page of PayPal that can be accessible in Zambia. Now click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen and select your region again. So here you will have to just scroll down and in the bottom you will see Zambia, so select it and click on get started. Now provide your email address here and press next. On the next page, you will have to simply provide further information like your first name, your full name, your phone number, and you need to create a strong password for your account. And this way you will be able to open your PayPal account in Zambia. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.